you've been one of the strongest proponents and defenders of the First Amendment. In what circumstances do you think that the First Amendment can be restricted?
We don't live in a world of absolutes. There are situations, certainly one can conjure them up, in which no one would want a First Amendment that was so strong that there could never be any limitation on speech. For example, we have libel law in America. We have more protection of speech against libel law than any country in the world, but we have libel law. We have privacy law. We have law designed to protect national security. We have an Espionage Act. We have lots of laws which either touch on or intersect with or at tension with the First Amendment. The real issue again and again is not whether there are some limits that can be put. The real issue is what's the rule and what's the exception. If the rule is really going to be the press can publish what it likes, you can do what you like by way of verbal expression. You can burn an American flag. You can burn a Bible. You can burn the American Constitution as a way of expressing how strongly you feel about something or other. But that, sure, there can be situations, but they would be very few and very rare, in which speech can ever be stopped up front before you say it. And even when the government wants to punish you, then we have to be very careful not to allow punishment except in cases where the speech is so likely to do harm of such magnitude and so quickly that we're ready to sort of trump the First Amendment. So it happens. The important thing is that it doesn't happen often, and that we are very careful, very cautious, very chary about the circumstances in which we allow it to happen.